All right, let's do a quickie little video, something real fast. Because when I was looking to buy this, I was standing in the middle of Walmart thinking, hey, I wonder if it's any good. So when you can open her up just like this. There's that. Right down in there you can see the cord. So when you grab it, flip it open, make sure you got everything. Most of the ones I saw were actually peeled open for some reason. All right, let's get this opened up, see if it works. It opened up, and right on here, up to 4K. And look at these instructions real quick. There. Here's our specs. There we go. Video format supported. All that. Audio HDMI resolution. 4K it says. Right in there. HDR, supports HDR. Right on. This other side says the 2.0 cable. Boom, 2.0 cable. I guess that's how you get your 4K. There's our instructions. Right on. Not bad. Peel off the little tab. What do we got? Right on. And let's get this guy. Ooh, it's super light. Optional 5 volt. What's that? I figured it'd need power. Alright, inputs. Output at the end. On the front here. Alright. Cool, right on. I'll get it hooked up, see if it even works. Alright, here we go. We got PlayStation 3, and seems pretty instant. And when you hit the next button, like, all right, I'll be down here a little bit. That'll do, because I got a glass table. But you really got to be pointing at the box right there behind the little Wii thing. All right, so number 2, we got the 360. Seems pretty decent. All right, that's at number 3. And next. This one should be our Wii U. Oh, come on. Oh, anyway, it looks pretty good. The 4th one hooked up to my phone. So I wonder if I can do it right now while I'm recording. There we go, we're plugged in. Next. About through the glass. There we go. What do we get? There we go. What was going on, huh? I don't know why. Look at that. That's kind of weird. Right on. Anyway, it seems to do okay. But there's going to be no hiding this because it's infrared. You got to be really pointing right at the thing to get it to work. So yeah, good enough, I guess.